that.
Here's Ladybird wants to say howdy.
Okay.
Ed,
Hello, Ladybird.
I got you a nice letter with that philosophic quotation, and don't you worry about me. Listen, whatever happens, I'm tough and strong and happy. All I got to do is try to get my husband to get at least 7 hours sleep a night. And listen, you'd be proud of him if you saw how diligent he was and how faithful about his exercises and his diet.
I'm so glad of that, Ladybird. I just feel so close and so much a part of you that I was just concerned that you might be.
Well, don't ever stop feeling that way. And our weekends are mostly nice and quiet, and our 5 days a week he works powerful hard. But anyhow, you keep on helping him, and I'll give him back to you.
I certainly will.
Hello?